What's up, ladies and gents? Today I wanted to show you guys the unboxing of the new FN Scar. I got mine off Gunbroker, and I think I got a pretty good deal out of it. So, 2021 FN Scar still comes with the same locking device. You get a 30-round magazine, metal. Comes with your gun. You get a Scar sticker. You get more tags, same tag that's on the gun, some warranty, a safety card, and your owner's manual. Let's check this guy out. Alright everybody, let's check out this Scar 16S. This is brand new with its non-reciprocating charging handles. That's what's new this year. This has similar characteristics as its big brother, Scar 17S, which is chambered in 308 and 762. So what I have here is the 16S, chambered in 5.56 or 223 rounds. I got mine in black, with a 16.25-inch barrel. Comes with a 30-round magazine, all metal, and it weighs just about 7.25 pounds. The overall length of it is between 34.5 to 37 inches. This has a new bolt carrier assembly with the non-reciprocating charging handles. It has a telescoping and side folding buttstock. It also has an adjustable cheek piece for when you're aiming down sights. The sights are metal and adjustable. It has ambidextrous characteristics for your selector switch, your magazine release, and your charging handles. Now we're going to do a safety check before we start disassembling this weapon. Visually inspect and physically inspect that you are unloaded. Ride the bolt forward. Now we can disassemble the gun. Push down your takedown pins from left to right. You could push the trigger assembly forward and you could release it downward. It just comes off. Once the trigger assembly is off, your buttstock just slides down. Engage your charging handle slightly to release the spring, and you could take this out. Your charging handles will both come off when that's all the way out there. Your carrier group will also just come off. Using your charging handle, you can further break down your bolt carrier group by taking out the pins. And like a AR, you just take off your bolt. Also with your charging handle, you can take out the piston, taking off your gas block here, your gas block with this pin, push it to the 4 o'clock, decant it, and then your gas block will come off, and then you use a rod to push out your piston out. That's how you break down your Scar. I do not have to do it in this video. I do have to lubricate this and take it out to the range. Thanks guys for watching.